Which would you rather detox with? This or this? Would you believe me if I told you that there are over a dozen superfoods in this cake right here? Well, in today's video, I'm gonna prove it to you. Hi, I'm Thomas DeLauer, and in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to get over a dozen servings of superfoods in your diet, all by eating brownies. A brownie mug, that is. This is a quick and easy 6-minute recipe that requires absolutely no baking whatsoever, and it's an amazing guilt-free dessert that's packed full of healthy, nutrient-rich ingredients that you can make easily right at home. You'll be needing some good old-fashioned non-dairy butter. You're gonna use raw organic almond milk. You're gonna use some organic vanilla extract, some pink Himalayan sea salt, Stevia, organic raw cocoa powder, and some organic coconut flour. And then my secret ingredient, science-based Green Detox. This one bottle contains over 13 science-backed superfoods proven to help detox, alkalize, restore, and strengthen your digestive system. Along with being the best tasting superfood detox mix, one serving of Green Detox also fulfills your daily required micronutrient profile. With this special ingredient for this brownie mug, you'll be able to help detox your body while at the same time enjoy a delicious chocolatey dessert treat. Okay, let me show you how to make one of these things. Start off by taking a microwave-safe coffee mug and begin adding 2 tablespoons of raw organic almond milk. Then you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna add 2 tablespoons of melted non-dairy butter. You don't have to use non-dairy, but I just prefer it because it's a little bit easier on the body. Okay, then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna add a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Just kind of eyeball that. Okay, then we're gonna go ahead, we're just gonna add a dash of pink Himalayan salt. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna whisk this together the best that I can really quick. In fact, I'm gonna use a fork. Then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder or raw cacao powder. I'm gonna continue to mix it up a little bit. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add my scoop of Green Detox. And then of course, I wanna add a little bit of Stevia, and you can do this to taste. You can add a little bit more or a little bit less. I'm gonna add about 5 or 6 drops, because the Green Detox has a little bit of sweetener in it already. And then lastly, I'm gonna add 4 tablespoons of coconut flour. I use coconut flour because it doesn't have any gluten in it, it's low glycemic, and it tastes pretty darn good. Just kind of eyeballing that. It doesn't have to be perfect. That's the beauty of this recipe. Okay, now that's mixed up into a batter. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna microwave it for 60 seconds. Once the microwave's done, you're gonna wanna let it sit for about 60 seconds because it's gonna be pretty darn hot. And also, the center might be molten, it might be kind of liquidy, depending on how thick you made the batter and how much coconut flour you added. Some like it to be a little bit more molten, some like a thicker, drier brownie. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this a try. Okay, that's really good. Guys, I just got word today that they're starting to run low on Green Detox, so there's only a limited quantity of these bottles left. So learn how you can secure your bottle of Green Detox now. Go to getgreendetox.com. Have you ever heard the phrase, have your cake and eat it too? Well, with this Green Detox gooey brownie cake mug recipe, you get to have your cake, eat it too, and detox while doing it. Just because this is a healthy detox food doesn't mean that it has to taste like it came from the lawn. This dessert brownie cup also has some amazing nutrition facts. This brownie mug only contains 4 grams of sugar, 5 grams of fat, and 16 grams of protein. That's all with the help of using Green Detox in the recipe. In fact, I just posted a free video on my website that breaks down how each of the 13 superfoods in Green Detox work to help detox, support, protect, and strengthen the digestive system to help you get into the best shape of your life and the body that you deserve to be in. There, I also break down the science and studies behind each ingredient that went into Green Detox to make this the best tasting and nutrient-dense superfood greens powder available. As a bonus, I also went ahead and included my superfoods shake guide to show you how to incorporate Green Detox into other delicious recipes for smoothies and shakes to power pack them with micronutrient and antioxidant-rich ingredients without having to juice another fruit or vegetable. So just go to getgreendetox.com to see it. I'll see you there.